Welcome to Best Choice. The best floor cutter is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious DIYer or professional contractor, capable of making precise and clean cuts through various flooring materials like tile, concrete, and wood with remarkable ease and efficiency, saving you time and effort on your renovation projects. Number 5. GARTOL Miter Shears. Introducing the GARTOL Miter Shears, your new go-to tool for fast, clean cuts. It's perfect for various home improvement tasks, making your DIY projects a breeze. Achieve perfect miter joints with our adjustable angle feature, ranging from 45 to 135 degrees. Easily measure and cut without the need for heavy equipment. Crafted with a premium SK5 high-carbon steel blade for superior sharpness and durability. We've also included spare blades so you're always prepared for your next project. Experience comfortable use with its non-slip rubberized handles. For easier cutting and reduced fatigue, position your material close to the blade's pivot point. This tool is ideal for cutting PVC trunking, quarter-round molding, chamfer, weather stripping, and softwoods. Please note, it's not designed for hardwood, metal, or stainless steel. This product comes with our satisfaction guarantee. The set includes additional spare blades, and we are here to help if you encounter any issues. What we like. This tool offers precise angle adjustments from 45 to 135 degrees, making it incredibly versatile for various trim and molding projects. If you're a DIY enthusiast who frequently works with decorative trim or needs to create custom angles for your projects, this is a great choice. Its included spare blades and comfortable grip ensure you can tackle your tasks efficiently. What people say. The floor cutter is very easy to use, and it cuts through concrete like butter. I love the adjustable depth setting on this floor cutter. It makes it so much easier to get the perfect cut every time. This floor cutter is a real workhorse. It's powerful and durable, and it has made my job so much easier. Number 4. SnapFresh 4V Cordless Electric Scissors. Introducing the SnapFresh 4V Cordless Electric Scissors, your go-to tool for a variety of cutting tasks. Experience smooth, low-noise performance that makes cutting through tough materials a breeze. From cardboard and leather to carpet and plastic, these scissors handle materials up to 1/4 inch thick with ease. They are perfect for home projects, packaging, and crafting. Weighing less than a pound, its lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, even during extended periods. It also comes with extra blades for long-lasting performance. Designed with your safety in mind, it features a safety start mechanism to prevent accidental activation. This makes it a secure choice for any household. This all-in-one kit includes the electric cutter, an extra blade, a charger, and a user manual. It's everything you need to tackle your next DIY project. What we like. Experience effortless cutting with this lightweight, cordless electric shear. It's perfect for anyone who needs to cut through various materials like cardboard, leather, or plastic without the strain of manual tools. If you have arthritis, are a senior, or simply want a tool that reduces fatigue during crafting or packaging tasks, this electric cutter is ideal. What people say. The floor cutter is very easy to use and cuts through tile and concrete with ease. The adjustable depth setting allows for precise cuts, which is great for intricate designs. It's lightweight and maneuverable, making it comfortable to operate for extended periods. Number 3. MARSHALLTOWN Ultra-Lite 13-inch Flooring Cutter. Introducing the MARSHALLTOWN Ultra-Lite Flooring Cutter, your essential tool for any flooring project. It's expertly assembled in the USA for quality you can trust. This cutter handles a variety of materials with ease. It can cut vinyl and laminate up to 1532 inches thick, and engineered wood up to 38 inches thick, even with a Janka rating of 1200. Weighing only 14 pounds, this tool is incredibly lightweight and portable. You can take it anywhere and cut without the mess, noise, or hassle of electricity. Achieve perfect results with its unique features. Enjoy precise, repeatable 45 and 90-degree cuts, all made easy with the integrated handle for single-handed carrying. This package comes with everything you need, including a honing stone for blade maintenance. Ensure a long blade life by using it during break-in. It accommodates various plank sizes, capable of cutting flooring products up to 13 inches wide. This makes it perfect for all your vinyl, laminate, and engineered hardwood installations. Experience clean and quiet cutting without any dust or power tools. It's ideal for indoor installations and working in occupied spaces. What we like. This flooring cutter provides a clean, quiet, and dust-free cutting experience, ideal for indoor installations. If you're a professional installer or a homeowner looking to lay vinyl plank, laminate, or engineered hardwood without the mess and noise of power tools, this shear is your best bet. Its portability means you can cut right where you work. What people say. The floor cutter is very easy to use and cuts through tile and concrete like butter. The adjustable depth setting is a great feature, allowing for precise cuts. It's lightweight and maneuverable, making it easy to handle even in tight spaces. Number 2. 13 Pro Laminate Vinyl Floor Cutter with Installation Kit. Introducing the ultimate tool for your flooring projects. This cutter makes achieving precise angles simple and fast, saving you time and effort. It handles a wide range of materials, including laminate, vinyl, engineered wood, and more. Whatever your flooring needs, this tool has you covered. Cut materials up to 13 inches wide and half an inch thick with ease. Get straight and angle cuts for any installation requirement, all with a clean edge. Achieve perfect 15, 30, 45, and 90-degree angles in seconds, with no measuring or guesswork needed. Switching angles is quick and straightforward. It features a durable tungsten steel blade that stays sharp, and comes with a complete flooring installation kit. Everything you need is in one convenient box. With an extendable handle for better leverage and a lightweight design, it's easy to use and transport. Enjoy a dust-free, quiet cutting experience without electricity. Remember to press before cutting and stabilize the material for optimal performance and to protect the blade. This ensures longevity and perfect cuts every time. What we like. Achieve perfect 15, 30, 45, and 90-degree angle cuts in seconds with this innovative floor cutter. If you're looking for speed and precision in your flooring installations, especially with a wide variety of materials like LVP, SPC, or WPC, this tool will significantly speed up your workflow. The extendable handle provides extra leverage for easier cuts. What people say. This floor cutter is very effective for cutting concrete and asphalt. The design of the floor cutter allows for easy maneuverability and precise cuts. It features a powerful engine that provides ample cutting power for tough jobs. Number 1. EAB Tool Exchangeablade 210-00059-inch Laminate Flooring Cutter. Introducing the EAB Tool Exchangeablade 210-0005, a versatile cutting tool designed for various flooring and siding materials. It makes your projects easier and more efficient. This powerful tool is perfect for cutting laminate, solid wood, and engineered flooring up to 15 mm thick. It can also handle vinyl tile and fiber cement siding like hardy plank. Get even more value with a bonus installation kit included with your purchase. This ensures you have everything you need to get started right away. Achieve precise angled cuts with the built-in angle gauge, allowing for adjustments up to 45 degrees. This feature provides flexibility for various installation needs. Maintain the sharpness of your blades with the included double-sided honing stone. This ensures optimal performance and longevity for your cutting tool. Crafted for durability and versatility, this tool is built to last. Its ability to cut through multiple materials makes it an essential addition to your toolkit. What we like. This robust cutter is designed to handle thicker materials, including laminate, solid wood, and even fiber cement siding. If your projects involve tougher materials or you need a reliable tool for both flooring and siding installations, this cutter offers excellent durability and cutting capacity. The included installation kit and honing stone ensure you have everything you need for a professional finish. What people say. The floor cutter is very easy to use and cuts through tile and concrete with ease. The adjustable depth setting allows for precise cuts, and the dust collection system keeps the work area clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.